Qandeel! Today we're gonna draw a cute jellyfish. Now let's look at the picture. Our jellyfish has hood, cute face and tentacles. Let's look at the picture one more time. Hood, cute face and tentacles. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page and private drawing lessons for kids. Okay, let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the hood. It's also called a bell. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper. Draw a big rainbow shape. Draw big rainbow shape. Okay, you're doing great. Then draw a horizontal line at the bottom of the rainbow shape. Oh, I like your hood. The next step is its eyes. Draw two big circles inside the hood. The first one on the left side and the same size circle on the right side. Okay, you're doing great. Then draw two circles a little smaller inside big circles. On the left side and on the right side. Then draw two smaller circles in each eye and draw them in the top left. Here and here. This is the highlight to make the eyes look shiny. Now let's color in the big circles, but leave that little circle white. Our jellyfish is almost ready. Keep it up. You're doing great. Now let's draw the blush on the cheeks. Small ovals under the eyes. You're doing great. Now we are ready to draw the smile. U-shape between the eyes. U-shape. Okay, good job. Your jellyfish is so cute. Now let's add some details for hood. We are gonna draw spots. Draw 10 ovals or circles. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's draw the tentacles. Draw short wavy line down and up on the left side, down and up on the right side, in the middle the same line, on the left side again, down and up, and on the right side again, down and up. Okay, you're doing great. Take your time, don't rush, pause the video and continue when you are ready. Next, we will draw colored tentacles. Let's use the green marker and draw 4 wavy lines. Here, 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 and here. Then draw 3 blue wavy lines. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're doing great. Then let's draw 2 indigo wavy lines. The first and the second. And let's draw 2 violet wavy lines. The first and the second. Oh, we did it! Good job! Your jellyfish is so cute. I want to see your drawing so much. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram or Facebook. Take me in photo, Nini Juilliard. Now let's color our jellyfish together. You can choose any color you like. The hood will be pink with blue spots. The first step is tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. I believe in you. Tracing around the eyes. Around the spots. And coloring inside. Sometimes I color too fast. So if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. If you missed a spot, fill in it with color. Check my Patreon for cute coloring page with princess and private drawing lessons for kids. Then I choose blue for spots. Tracing and coloring inside. Another pink for blush on the cheeks. Yellow, orange and red for tentacles. Tracing and coloring. Red on the left side. And on the right side. Orange, on the left side and on the right side. And yellow in the middle. Whoa, you did awesome on coloring and drawing jellyfish. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. See you on Patreon page with Zoom drawing lessons and cute coloring pages with princess. Love you. Bye bye.